Welcome to Days Inn & Suites, Pine Bluff. We're convenient to US 65, close to the best restaurants, and are the best Pine Bluff hotel near Delta River's Natural Center for comfort and value. Our free Wi-Fi helps you stay connected with home or office. Attractions nearby include Lake Pine Bluff, only steps away. Also near our hotel off I-530 is UAPB and Heastan Stadium. Our staff are hospitality professionals who know how to meet your needs for excellent accommodations. Additional attractions include Harbor Oaks Golf Course, the Pines Mall, Arkansas Entertainers Hall of Fame, Arkansas Railroad Museum, and more. Plus, we're a great place to stay close to Arkansas District Fair and Rodeo. www.daysinpinebluffar.com